Check my phone. I check my phone for messages before sleeping. Prepare for bed. I prepare for bed around 10 p.m. Brush my hair. I brush my hair before going to sleep. Go to sleep. I go to sleep by 11 p.m. Wake up early. I try to wake up early on weekends. Go grocery shopping. I go grocery shopping every Saturday. Do laundry. I do laundry once a week. Get out of bed. I get out of bed right after my alarm rings. Brush my teeth. I brush my teeth twice a day. Take a shower. I take a shower every morning. Make coffee. I make coffee to start my day. Read the news. I read the news online every morning. Check my emails. I check my emails as soon as I arrive at work. Attend meetings. I attend meetings with my team.